What's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution at bellatorclaims.com. We are licensed public insurance adjusters. What we do is we represent policyholder, property owners, property managers, commercial property brokers, right? We help them with property insurance claims. So if you're not being treated fairly by your insurance company or your insurance company's adjuster, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. But guess what? I'm here right now to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Christina of Loveland, Colorado. Filed claim with insurance company because of damages to my house. My house has roof damage, vinyl siding damage, and damage from the rain on the inside of my house. Very legitimate, okay? I also have ceiling and windows that are leaking, wet carpet, and a French door that hardly opens due to the damage. The contractor gave an estimate of $31,575 to fix everything. My insurance company gave me a check for $5,500. And this is minus my $500 deductible. Maybe we need a class action lawsuit to stop them from treating the customers like crap. I don't know. I don't know if that's the right solution. That's gonna take forever, 20 years, I have no idea. But this is the deal, is you can get help without suing the insurance company. Might that have to be an option? Might, but I can tell you from my experience, when we get involved, we speak the lingo, and we're talking adjuster to adjuster and trying to figure stuff out, we actually get claims paid, and much quicker than going the court route, okay? So this is my thing, is if you have a property insurance claim, if it's commercial, if it's residential, if it's multifamily, if it is industrial, and you need help because you're not being treated fairly by your insurance company, contact us today. We represent you, the policyholder property owner, and make sure you get a fair shake with your property insurance claim, because insurance companies make money when they don't pay your claim fairly. Think about that, the 4 Ds, and this is it, okay? I'll just talk about it real quick. This is what insurance companies do. They delay claims, they deny claims, they defend claims, meaning they force you to take them to court, and they diminish claims, meaning they underpay claims, okay? So, if you are experiencing any of those things, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.